Hey, welcome back to the Secret Underground Lair. Things have been a little bit slower here in the shop. I've been working outdoors on the little bowler trailer. Check out my Le Petit Chateau Bleu YouTube channel. Put a link, I think the link goes up in here. See what I've been doing there. There's about 4 or 5 episodes up there now. But I'm back in here cutting out the inlays. So I've done a little bit of experimenting. Finally came up with one that I think is going to fit. And I started the second one. And that is how it fits. So I'm kind of pleased with that, both with the fit and the differentiation in color. So I'm going to cut another 5. 1, 2, 3, yeah, another 5. And then cut one round on out. And then we're ready to make a new fretboard. So stick around and you can watch all this machining stuff happen. Oh, it's so exciting. Tray here to try and catch them as they fall. I'm going to miss these 2 bottom ones, but at least this little tray will probably keep them in place and at least from falling all over the floor. There are the little marks on our fretboard. I'm not crazy about this one. I may just not do this in the final fretboard. But again, the contrast is what I'm looking for. The fit is great. So I think I'm ready to cut the final fretboard. Anyway, I'll do that. I'll just give you this quick update today. And go through all the operations on the next fretboard in another video. So thank you again very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.